Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to withdraw money from Moonshot app. But before we get started, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Now, this video is for informational and educational purposes only, so please do your own research. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. First off, go ahead and open your Moonshot app. Then on the homepage, you want to click on Holdings at the very bottom. And from here, you want to choose withdraw. Then on this page, first you want to click and choose the currency. So you have cash or Solana. Then you want to enter the amount. Let's say, for example, 100. Now this button, just this drop down, click this for you to be able to choose your payment method. Right now, I only have crypto available, but other options might be available to you. So you have credit and debit card, bank transfer, Coinbase, or even PayPal. So choose whichever applies to you. Once you're done, all you have to do is just swipe to start. And once you do that, just hit confirm, and the withdrawal should be successful. That's it. Simple. Now you know how to withdraw money from Moonshot app in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.